Okay, here we have 2.10 derivatives of tanx, cotangent x, secant x, and cosecant x, right? So we've already learned this and this, right? So the next ones we memorize are these four, right? Which tan x is equal to secant squared x, cotangent x is equal to negative. So what I learned is if it starts with a c, then you know it's gonna be negative. So that helps a little bit. It helps me a little bit. So here we have negative cosecant squared x, and then secant is secant x tangent x, and then cosecant x, right? Because it starts with a c, it's negative, so it equals negative cosecant x cotangent x, right? So, I guess common struggles for students dealing with trig derivatives is one, memorizing unit circles, simplifying, manipulating trig reciprocals, and a calculator. Personally, I have the most trouble simplifying, just because it's the easiest step to make mistakes on, so you have to be very clear with your writing. And yeah, find the derivative of y equals sine x tan x, right? So here we use the rules we just learned, right? And then the only thing I simplified was this part and turned it to a sine, right? But that's all I did, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. After that, find f prime pi of 6 if f of x equals x over secant x, right? So we use the rules, right, of f prime, right? And after that, I use my knowledge of the unit circle to help, right? So I just plugged in pi of 6 in here, right? And then I simplified it from there, and then more simplifying, and then even more simplifying, and then our final answer is here. So yeah, that's derivatives of tan x, cotangent x, secant x, and cosecant x.